We just finished up on the exterior painting. Still got some touch up with the accents. We've painted the soffit fascia, that's all white. And then we have a gray tone here on the body. And then we're going to put our shutters back up, which will be an accent color. And then we'll change the garage over here to an accent color. All right, coming inside, we've just got our gray cabinets in. Getting ready to finish putting that up in the kitchen. We've got our areas leveled out where the tile was removed. That's where the old cabinets were at. And so what we're going to do is we're going to finish up this wall and come all the way back over to here with a complete kitchen. Brand new countertops, granite, new fixtures. And the rest of the house, I'll show you a couple of things around here real quick just to let you know. It's got a nice backyard. Big storage shed. All the patio is enclosed with screened windows, so you can enjoy it summer or winter. I think this door may be locked. Yep. So we'll just show you in there. And then throughout the rest of the house, there's vinyl flooring, waterproof vinyl flooring, which we're going to be doing over top of this floor in here also to match up what we have here. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, updated bathrooms. We got to finish up in here. You can see the showers have been done previously. Let's walk on back through here. There's another one to the bedrooms. Here's the master. And also here you can see that the shower and everything has been updated. So this house is getting ready to come up for sale in probably about 2 to 4 weeks. We'll have it up ready to go. Give me a call if you have any questions, 813-967-3607. Thank you.